Noah, what is this?
Cakes.
And who's it for?
My dad was taking faces. One baby chicken.
Is it a brown beep is what? Chocolate milk, isn't it? Right?
Yes.
And you have cupcakes, and who are the cupcakes for?
So white.
Uh-huh.
And green.
And is that a snack for Santa Claus tonight?
Yes.
All right.
These are the winners.
Yeah, the carrots are for the reindeer. All
Yeah.
right. Do you think Santa's going to like that snack?
Oh, yes. So, the peach. Like the rice peach.
So is Santa going to eat those cupcakes?
Yes, so there's no rice.
Oh, I see.
Santa the white, or there's no the green.
Santa's is the white and Noah's is the green.
Oh, yes. So to eat it, I say, there. You know what it is? Your tongue. Your tongue.
Oh, really? And who's going to eat the carrots?
Wings.
The reindeer?
Oh, yes, they eat carrots. No, the brown beep.
And your brown beep,
Yes, put it down the open.
which for all those 20 years from now is chocolate milk.
Like a milk.
That's right.
Yes.
And is Santa coming to our house tonight? Is he going to leave presents?
Yes, eat packets.
Where's he going to leave the presents at?
Yay.
Yes.
See what the chicken water?
Sit right there?
Yes.
Okay, I'll come around.
Okay, where is Santa going to leave the presents? Where's he going to put the presents? Does he leave them underneath the Christmas tree?
Are there presents underneath the Christmas tree? I don't see any presents underneath the Christmas tree yet.
That's because Santa has to bring them, doesn't he?
Yes. What was the package you want to take the trees? What is the package? No, there's chocolate.
Will he put stuff in your stocking too?
Where's Noah's stocking at?
Is it by the fireplace?
No. Oh, fireplace.
Mm-hmm.
No, there's no, it's actually
Oh.
Santa.
How is Santa Claus going to come into our house and leave you your presents? Is he going to come down the chimney through the fireplace?
Yes, coming a fireplace.
He does.
Yes.
And he comes down and he's going to put your presents under the tree?
Oh, yes.
And then he'll have his snack?
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
Yes. Because you want to sit right there?
Oh, he's going to sit right there and have the snack?
Yes.
He is.
Because you sit down, there's no rice.
Oh, so you're going to share a snack with him?
Yes.
All right.
What do you want Santa Claus to bring you?
Packets.
Presents?
Yes.
What kind of presents?
That there was the packets.
Yeah.
No, the taxi sit down.
But do you want a fire truck? Or a race car?
No, the car trucks.
You want cars and trucks?
Yes.
Okay.
Trucks. But Touches. The touches you know what?
Yeah.
Touches you know what?
Yeah.
But the goat you know what? Even the goat you know what?
Get-your-goes? Get-your-goes are motorcycles, aren't they? Noah calls them get-your-goes.
Yes. You know the way the goes.
Are you gonna ride the Get-your-goose?
Yes. Take the bikes. So I don't know the goes away.
Well, we will say goodbye.
Bye.
And we'll see you and we'll turn the camera on in the morning and we'll see if Santa came. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Can you
Okay.
Say Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
We're keeping.
See you later.